be around 20 kilometers per liter, or approximately 50 miles a gallon. As I said earlier, much has been said about emissions and much has been said about congestion and safety. Let me address the emissions and the safety issues. In emissions, as I mentioned, the car will in fact pass, the car has in fact passed the full frontal crash test that is required in this country. But it has also been designed to pass the offset and the side crash that is required internationally, so that the car can in fact be sold internationally. In terms of pollution, it today conforms to Bharat 3, and in fact today with this engine will indeed meet Euro 4, which is not yet required in this country. So Dr. Pachauri need not have nightmares, and Sunita Narayan can sleep at night. On the name, we had many unsolicited suggestions. Some people said we should call it the Buddhu car. Others said we should call it Mamta, or Despite Mamta. And we decided we'd call it Nano because it connotes high technology and small size. So we stayed with the name. Finally, all of you have been conjecturing about the price. And since we commenced this exercise 4 years ago, we're all aware that there has been a very steep increase in input prices of steel, tires, and various and sundry other inputs. Bearing all this in mind, I would like to announce today that the standard car will in fact will have a dealer price of 1 lakh only. VAT and transport being extra. Now, having said that, I just want to say that that is because a promise is a promise. And that's what we'd like to leave with. So with that, I'd like to express, on behalf of our board, our thanks to all the people in Tata Motors, all the vendors that have put their faith in us, the dealers who have stood by us, and the government that has been with us. I would like to recognize the presence of 2 ministers who've taken the time and the trouble to be with us, Minister of Heavy Transport and Kamal Nath, Minister of Commerce. Greatly appreciate your being with us today and sharing this time with us. I believe it's, for us, a milestone, and I hope we can make a contribution in the country. And it's very, very great to have you in our midst. Thank you for sparing the time.